In travel news for May 2nd, 2024, we talk about Princess Cruises modifying their upcoming 2025 world cruise itineraries to avoid the Red Sea. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that makes travel so easy. Even a blind traveler like myself can do it. And now, today in travel. In response to the ongoing conflicts in the Red Sea, Princess Cruises has announced significant itinerary changes for its world cruise, scheduled for 2025. These adjustments underscore the cruise line's commitment to passenger safety while maintaining an exciting travel experience. Princess Cruises' decision follows a series of missile attacks by Yemen's Houthi rebels, which prompted safety concerns about the Red Sea route. As a precaution, the cruise line, in consultation with global security experts and government officials, opted to reroute the Island Princess and Crown Princess to avoid these high-risk areas. Originally scheduled to visit vibrant ports across the Mideast and Asia, the Island Princess will now embark on a 116-day journey starting in North America, with departures from Fort Lauderdale, Florida on January 5th and Los Angeles, California on January 20th. The revised route includes stops at several intriguing destinations, including Melbourne, Australia, Perth, Australia, Port Louis, Mauritius, and a noteworthy overnight stay in Cape Town, South Africa. The journey continues with visits to the picturesque Cape Verde Islands, followed by a series of European stops in countries such as Portugal, Italy, and Greece, before resuming its original route. Passengers affected by the itinerary change, particularly those scheduled to embark or disembark in Dubai, will now adjust their plans to Cape Town. In addition to schedule adjustments, Princess Cruises has ensured that these changes come at no additional cost to its guests, further enhancing the customer experience during these unforeseen global events. Meanwhile, the Crown Princess will also see alterations in its 2025 World Cruise, set to depart from Auckland, New Zealand on May 31st and from Sydney, Australia on June 4th. The vessel will focus on exploring the rich cultures and landscapes of Africa, bypassing the Red Sea entirely. Details of the fully revised itinerary are still forthcoming, indicating Princess Cruises' dedication to refining travel experiences amid global challenges. Princess Cruises' proactive measures to reroute its 2025 world cruises reflect a deep commitment to safety and customer satisfaction. By adjusting their routes to include new, diverse destinations, they not only ensure the safety of their passengers, but also enhance the travel experience with an array of cultural and scenic stops. This strategic shift not only addresses the immediate safety concerns, but also enriches the global cruising experience, promising an unforgettable journey for all aboard. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler. It's our belief that everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.